Hello there, I'd like to show you a couple of projects I have been working on. The Paulk workbench. I got my new Ryobi table saw hanging off the end, using the bench as an outfeed table. I also made a Moxon vise, and I'm just using 3/4 inch bolts for the bench dogs. I've used it a few times and it's really awesome. And here's another project that I worked on today. Got it semi-complete, all but the inside. And I would like to thank a guy off of YouTube named Matthias Wandel for this inspiration. It's 26 inches wide, 20 inches tall, 12 inches deep. And I haven't decided what I'm going to put on the inside yet. Possibly woodworking tools, or I had an idea of a chuck wagon box for camping. I thought that hinge design was very neat. I kind of added my own touch to it. Thanks for watching.